Okay, this is an update on the restoring of a TimeMachine entire system backup over Thunderbolt connected to a Drobo that's on Firewire 800, and we provided an internet recovery option that we downloaded the internet recovery OS that then pointed us to restore the entire system from a TimeMachine backup, and it now will take for about 160 gigs of information, about, it's saying 7 hours and 5 minutes, and that's at 4.7%. So a little bit on the slow side. I think of it as a Thunderbolt disk would definitely run faster. This is running with an SSD, so write should be fast, but so far pretty seamless. We'll let you know when it comes back.